Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and, well, you know who I am. I'm the author of all those how to draw books that you have or are going to get, I hope. Anyway, today I've got a cool thing for you. This is my book, Cartooning, the Ultimate Character Design Book. It's everywhere. You can get it at Amazon, Michael's, Hobby Lobby, Barnes & Noble's, Joann's. And it's got really cool hints. And I'm going to draw something from this for you today. It's an expression. I'm going to show you how to draw the know-it-all. I show in this book how to draw that expression, and it's so much fun. It's a smile with the eyes closed, but it's a little more than that, and it's just deliciously wicked. We all know someone like this. So hopefully we don't know someone anymore like this. So let's start by just drawing the outside, the shape of the face. And I'm going to make a young character, so I'm going to make it very round, and of course, like usual, I'll make it bold afterwards. We're just going to start with a rough. We'll bring the neck down here and start with a little nose, a little curled up nose, and it's got to be up. She's know-it-all. A little nostril is a good idea. All right, so I'll bring this down a little, taper, give it a little chin. A little bit of chin. You may already have that in your shape. I didn't, so I'm going to add that. Now, you got that, you guys? You got that, the little curl up? And the smile curls in a little bit. Not such a happy smile, but a little arch. Curls a little in, and bring the lip out like this. It's a little subtle thing, but oh, it's important to make this really funny. So she's going to be telling somebody something, how they should behave. Now, over here, we'll bring the eye line up a little bit higher. We're going to just draw the closed eyes with eyebrows going up. Now here we go like this, and bring that down. I think I want to open that up just a little extra. Yeah, just like she's talking. I want her to be talking. I'm going to bring this, I'm going to straighten this out just to give it a little more architecture here rather than just all around. Bring it up here, and I think I want to bring the neck back. So see, if I bring the neck back, she's leaning forward. It looks like that. And I want her to be leaning into it, to be telling somebody what to do. Now, this is all I need to get started. You ready? Let's put a little upturned nose. Curl that carefully. A little crease is important. And the lower lip has to be nice and accentuated. Round the bottom of the eyes and feather them out going forward, really thick. It's important to bring the top of the eyelid forward. So you just see a little bit of the tongue. Eyebrows up in the middle. I hate her already. Now let's bring this down. I'm going to give her a little lower cheek. Let's give her a bow. Make her look so innocent, so nice, so helpful. Her parents believe that that's all she wants, just to be helpful. Her teachers think the same thing. What do you think? Okay, so let's emphasize those eyelids.